In this video, I'm going to show you how to import MBOX file into Thunderbird. Now, the first thing you have to do is install the correct add-on because natively by default, Thunderbird doesn't have a functionality which is going to allow you to import MBOX files, okay? So go to the top right here, click on the three lines, and then from here go to add-ons and themes. Now when you do this, you want to go to here recommendations, or of course whichever tab you want, and go to the top where you can see your search bar, and you want to type in import export tools. Okay, so import export tools and click on the search button. Then it's going to find this one over here. This is like an add-on. It's called import export tools NG. You simply want to click on add to Thunderbird, and then you want to click on the add button which pops up at the top right over here. Now when you do this, it was added. You can click OK over here and you can go back to your inbox. Now here what you want to do is basically prepare a destination folder. Now this step is going to be optional, but it's of course recommended to keep your emails organized and looking fine, okay? So we're going to go to local folders over here. Make sure not inside your inbox because here you can't actually import it for some reason. So you want to go to local folders. You want to right click and then you want to add a new folder. I'm going to just name this one, for example, MBOX import, okay? Like this. I'm going to click on create folder and that's the first step done. Now, of course, you could go and import it directly in here. I'm just going to go to in here, okay? Then what you want to do is simply right click that folder and you want to go to import tools NG down here, and you can see it says import MBOX files over here. Now at the top here, if you would want to do this inside your inbox, as you can see, there's actually no option to import MBOX. So make sure you're down here inside local folders. Right click, import export tools NG, and then in here you want to click on import MBOX files and you want to select which you want to import. Okay, so I'm just going to go individual MBOX files. I'm going to click on it. It's going to open my file explorer, and as you can see here, I do have like a sample demo import. I'm going to click on it and click on open, and just like this, as you can see, it's going to import them in here, and there we go. It says welcome to your imported mailbox, and that's really it. So that's really all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.